In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail Advanced Search. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once Gmail loads, you should be looking at your inbox, which is the main dashboard where all your messages are stored. At the top of the screen, locate the search bar. On the right side of that search bar, click the Show Search Options icon. This icon opens Gmail's advanced search panel, which allows you to search for emails using specific filters instead of scrolling through hundreds of messages manually. When the advanced search panel opens, you'll see several fields that help you narrow down your search results. For example, you can filter emails by who the message is from, who it was sent to, or specific words included in the subject line. You can also type keywords in the Has the Words field if you're looking for emails that contain certain phrases inside the message body. The more details you enter here, the more accurate your results will be. If you're trying to find emails with files attached, check the Has Attachment option. This will filter your results to show only emails that contain attachments. You can also adjust other filters depending on what you need. For example, you can exclude chats if you don't want them included in your results, or narrow the results by selecting a specific date range. Filtering by date can be very useful when you only need emails from a certain period of time. After entering your search criteria, instead of immediately clicking search, you also have the option to create an automated filter. Click Create Filter at the bottom of the window. Gmail will then ask what you want to do with emails that match the criteria you just entered. For example, you can choose to automatically archive them to keep your inbox clean, mark them as read to reduce notifications, or apply a label to organize messages by project or topic. You can also star the emails for quick visibility, forward them to another email address, or even delete them automatically if they are not needed. Select the options that best match your workflow. Once you've customized the actions, click Create Filter to finalize it. From that point on, any incoming email that matches your criteria will automatically follow the actions you selected. This makes it much easier to keep your inbox organized without manually sorting messages. After everything is set up, you will see the changes applied to your current account, and your filter will start working immediately. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.